Hi, my name is Aiden. I have got this project for school. My art teacher wants me to design my family tree. Have a look at it. What do you think? Pretty complex, huh? My mother Grace and my father Oliver got married 15 years ago. Soon they had their first child, my sister Ruby. A few years later I came along. Things didn't really work out, so they got divorced. My father found a new wife, my stepmother, Sophie. She's really nice. She already had a daughter from her first marriage, my stepsister Lucy. She's 5 years younger than me. She thinks I'm very cool. That's nice. My father isn't my grandparents' only son. They have another son, my Uncle George. His wife is my Aunt Megan. Their children are Charlotte and Samuel. They are my cousins. We really like meeting up with them.